And welcome back. Well, everyone knows it's not easy opening a brand new business. You definitely need the right partners to get off the ground. In today's Legally Speaking with the McLario firm, helping small business owners so they don't have to worry about legal matters. Menominee Falls is a popular place to be this morning. We've got Morning Blend correspondent Andrea Belke. She's live at the brand new Lunchbox Deli to check out this new space. I love delis, Andrea.
Yes, I love delis too. And you're right, Menominee Falls is the place to be because there is a new restaurant in town. The Lunchbox Deli is opening this Saturday and people are so excited. But when you're a small business owner, you want to make sure you have your legal matters settled first. And that's why I'm here with Al Spiegel of the McLario firm right down the street. I am also joined by Chrissy Shepard, owner of the Lunchbox Deli. Hello, Chrissy. How are you doing? The opening is days away.
I am good. Thank you very much.
Okay, for people that are going to be showing up on Saturday, what can they expect here at the Lunchbox Deli?
We have a variety of different things. We have mac and cheese, pulled pork, soup, salads, sandwiches, ice cream, coffee, a few breakfast sandwiches.
You have a great array. Looking at the menu, there's a lot of options here. Now, people are so excited. I was looking on social media and everyone was saying, when is it going to be open? When is it going to be open? So tell me a little bit about how this place got started.
I'm sorry. So how did it get started? We originally were going to move Just Killing Time from across the street over to this building. So originally it was not going to be a restaurant. So once we decided to buy this building, move across the street, the owners of the building decided to sell us. So then we had no choice but to open a restaurant. So here we are.
Yeah, well, it's very exciting. Something about Menominee Falls, especially this main street, is a lot of the businesses support each other. And businesses, especially small business owners, need support because we've all seen the stats on how many small businesses make it, especially the last couple of years have been very difficult for restaurant owners. That's where you come in here, Al. So how do you support small business owners and ensure that legal issues aren't just another thing that you have to worry about?
Right. Well, the hardest part about being a small business owner is all the different things you have to do. You got to be the janitor, you got to be the CEO, you got to be the HR department. And what we can do is we can take the legal aspects off your plate so that you can work on making plates for other people and serving great food and doing the things you're really good at. So we help people with all the underlying paperwork, all the setup, and then anything that they need to do in their personal lives to kind of rearrange their lives to own this new business.
What are some specific issues that small business owners might not expect is going to come up and then all of a sudden you have to deal with it?
Right. It's probably the biggest one we see when people get started, especially in a business that has employees, is payroll. Dealing with HR, dealing with all the rules, dealing with the quarterly reporting. A lot of businesses, things are humming along okay for the first 3 months, and then they got to pay payroll tax at the end of that first quarter, and that gets a little tight if you weren't expecting it. So just knowing what's out there and making sure you're stashing away the money that you need to have to pay those obligations that are kind of building up as you go.
And you're a man about town. How excited were you when you heard that this place was going to be opening?
It's great. It's great to have another great place to go have lunch. We're about 100 steps from here, so
Yeah.
We're excited to be able to just come over here and get some, I'm a salad guy, so they got some great salads on the menu, and I know my staff's excited to have a place to order out from too.
Yeah, well, speaking of the business aspect, you have several businesses. What was your experience like opening this place and also kind of dealing with the issues that came up?
Opening this place was a little different for me, learning the food and food safety and stuff like that. Just creating a menu by myself, and hopefully it works for what Menominee Falls likes.
What is your advice to other people out there looking to start a business?
Make sure you don't wear all the hats, like he said. Contact your attorney, your local attorney, and just make sure you have all your ducks in a row because that will come up fairly fast and you'll owe a lot of money and they will get you.
Yeah, they will get you. As someone that has a business also in the community and knowing the people around here, what is the feeling knowing that you're opening in a couple days, and how excited are you to see those people walk through that door? What is that going to feel like?
Oh, very excited. I just hope they love our food.
Where did you get the idea for some of the food? Because you have some really unique items.
I just looked around. Those are some of our favorites. The mac and cheese pulled pork is, my whole family loves that type of stuff. So, of course, we have the add on the menu. It is Wisconsin cheese, so we incorporated that. What else? Our homemade chili. We also have a lobster mac and cheese, which you kind of don't find nowhere. So just created stuff that we really like to hopefully everybody else likes.
Yeah, I mean, my mouth is watering. When you look at the menu, what kind of items do you think? You said the salad, but what in particular? What's really striking?
Yeah, there's a really good-looking classic Cobb salad that I see on the menu, and that lobster mac sounds like something that would be good to try sometime too.
Yeah. Well, this is going to be a big party here on Saturday, so everyone make sure you come out. Tiff, I know that your mouth is probably watering when you hear the mac and cheese and the pulled pork and the lobster.
Yeah, I mean, you had me at soup and sandwiches. That's like my middle name, so. Thanks, Andrea. The Lunchbox Deli is located on Main Street in Menominee Falls. Well, whether you are thinking about starting a business, have a business, and realize that you might need some gaps, or you've got gaps, and you're thinking about dissolving or selling your business, any of those options, schedule a free consultation at McLario.com. And if you have any legal questions, go to the website tmj4.com/legally speaking.